Hi everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. How are you? Let me show you a new feature that just appeared in the Office applications. And the situation is actually, I have two users. I have Alex, which actually has only read access. He's a visitor in this site. As you can see, he cannot do any changes. And I also have myself, Ami, that I have totally full control. Now, sometimes we have the situation where I want to request actually to do a change. Now I'll go into this PowerPoint and you see you don't have permissions to edit. So what do? I would send a mail or ask the owner. But now what we can do is to go to this viewing, and now we have a request more access. So it's asking to change. Once I do this, I'll write the reason. So I'll say I need to update this file. Please give me edit rights. So I'll send it. Now what it will do, I'll get an answer that this request was sent. Now it will be sent to the owner. And we will go to his mailbox. And now in the Outlook, we says, Alex asked to edit this document. Now I have two possibilities, either to decline or to change access. So what we can do is, let's do change access. Let's say it's okay. And actually you see what happened is that the request was approved. We see who was requesting it and what site. So what will happen now, let's go to Alex and let's check his mail. So as you can see, Alex just got a mail that says the file changed. Oops. Yeah. Okay, so it says it's approved. The file changed the owner's rights. And actually now I, as Alex, can come and now I can delete things and do all kinds of things. Let's show the same experience maybe in Excel. So let's go to the library. Let's open the Excel. And as you can see, I cannot do anything. I can only request access. So let's request access. I need to fix something. And let's click send. Let's go to the owner's mailbox, and there's an action. So it says here, Alex wants to change it. This time I can decline, or I'll go maybe to manage access. Here I get to the access request, and I can see if I want to approve or decline. And I can also maybe here assign different permissions that I want. I see here also the explanation. I can approve or reject. Let's do decline. And let's see if Alex will get a mail that says that he was declined. So as you can see, the file owner didn't change the access. And all I can do is just view it. So hopefully it will help. By the way, I tested it for Word and currently it's not supported, but it should be according to the documentation. Just to show you, so if I go here in Word, I get to some kind of a screen where I don't actually have this possibility, but maybe in future it will be. So thank you very much. and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.